Mr. 15K himself. Look, at this point, you never know what to expect from this channel. You feel me? So make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Look, at this point, man, also tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that I'm back again with some more heat. Yes, I am. Today, I'm reviewing one of the hottest sneakers out right now. The most sought after sneaker. You feel me? I don't even know if that's a debate. I feel like that's a statement at this point. Either everybody want them or everybody trying to get them. You feel me? So today I'm going to be we're doing a review on some of the most sought after pairs. See what I'm saying? And if you're watching this video right now, most likely you looking into buying a pair or you already got a pair. And you just, you feel me, appreciating this content that's being created. But the sizing be super tricky. And I can't even tell you how many pair I had to send back, then buy again, and send back to buy again. Feel me? So I'm making this video for you so you don't have to go do what I just did. You see what I'm saying? So let's get into it. Look, these right here, these the Geo baskets. But the Mega Bumper boys, you feel me? I like the Mega Bumper boys to make me feel taller. You see what I'm saying? They give me that little extra height. You see what I'm saying? Oh. You see what I'm saying? Like how could you go wrong with these? Like, how could you? The leather on them boys. The leather on them boys. And today, I think I'm going to be reviewing about maybe like 6 pairs or something like that. But in them comments, man, let me know like the hardest colorway y'all guys done seen so far. And then also like, you feel me? Like, I also want to know like, what's the hardest style in y'all opinion as well? You see what I'm saying? But I'm moving too fast. But in regards to these, like you can go true to size. Because like this toe box, like with it being so spacious, you're able to go true to size. But with the sneakers, that's not necessarily the case. I'm gonna get into it when I get to them and I'm gonna explain to you why. Them hard though, but I just got these ones, right? I ain't even tried these boys on foot yet, none of that. Oh yeah, another Mega Bumper. Another Mega Bumper. They call it Mega Bumper because of, you know what I'm saying? The bottom out. I don't even know if I had to tell y'all that. I feel like y'all already knew what it was, but these boys hard too. I just got these today. So we damn near doing an unboxing together at this point. Look at that leather on there. I ain't even wore these boys, nothing. Rick Owens. You can't tell me it's not the hottest brand right now. I feel like everybody want them. Everybody trying to get them. These some of the most popular styles I feel like you see the masses in. Even in these two, I want to know like what's the hardest color you've seen so far as well. But I think these is called the Mega Bumper Hot Top sneaker, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. But I also want to know between these ones and then those ones, like which one would you pick between the two? I couldn't pick, so I had to get them both. I had to. It wasn't even an option. Add them to the collection. It was a must. See what I'm saying? Rick Owens dust bag. Can't go wrong with that. I've been noticing like a trend that like the people sporting the dust bags as a part of the attire. That ain't really my speed. You know what I'm saying? I let them serve their purpose. Just put the sneaks in them. Now we're going on to the vintage sneaker, right? Say these was called the Dust. If I ain't get the boxes mixed up. But I'm gonna be reviewing a few pair of these as well. Good Rick Owens dust bag. These are the dust ones. These low-key was the first sneakers that I ended up getting by him. That colorway, nasty though. See that like that vintage leather on them? These boys nasty. But what I was saying about the sneakers is, right? So with the hot top sneaker or the hot top sneaker or the Geo baskets, you can go true to size because the toe box. With these ones, you actually got to size up a half size or a whole size based off how the front of the toe box be. hooking up. I know that sounds crazy, but I know what I'm talking about. It's the inside of them boys. They got like this little super soft material. I'm not sure what it is, but these boys tough. But I guarantee you, if you're looking into these, make sure you go half size. At minimum, half size up. You see what I'm saying? You feeling fancy. You know you got a fat foot, or you wouldn't, you know what I'm saying? Then you can go ahead and get the whole size up, but I guarantee you with a half size, you should be sweet. You see what I'm saying? Also, I want to know, like in this style sneak too, they make a different material. I ain't really a fan of them. I feel like if I'm snatching them, they gotta be vintage. That vintage, you see what I'm saying? Like that vintage leather to them. You see what I'm saying? Like, look at those. These are the first sneaks that I ended up getting. You can tell by the bottom, I'm not playing no games. I'm wearing mine. Let's get into another pair. Once again, the Rick Owens dustback. I think these are just called, they just black if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they ain't got no name to them, but this colorway is just black. But once again, you see that vintage leather to them? Like I like that little distressed vintage. You see what I'm saying? Like the other material ones ain't giving it, but these ones where it's at. Once again, like I told you, man, let me know like the hardest colorway you've seen in these so far. I can't tell you how many pair I done had to send back, buy again, send back and buy again, just trying to make sure the sizing is right. But see me, I wear a 10, which is a 43. But in these, I couldn't get no half size up, so I went a whole size up, which is an 11. And they fit perfect. You know what I'm saying? Like they fit cool. But some sites, you're not able to even get a half size. See what I'm saying? So like, if they giving that option, snatch the half size. You see what I'm saying? You'll be sweet. But with the 11, it give me, you know what I'm saying, a little room. But at the same time, they fit cool. I ain't complaining, and I'm a picky person. You see what I'm saying? These tough. Also, like, even outside of like the hardest color, you don't know which one you feel like the hardest color out of the ones I got. After I show you this last pair. Well, this ain't the last pair, but it's the last sneaker. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie to you, these, I think the color called saddle if I ain't mistaken. But once again, like that vintage. You see what I'm saying? Like, in my opinion, I think these the hardest color. These low-key was the hardest ones to get too. Like, I couldn't find this color, but I got them. These boys nasty. But I'm a 43, like I said. But in all of the sneakers, I went up to a 44. But if you're able to get a half size, you should be sweet. But don't get your actual size. That's the moral of the story. Don't get your actual size. See, another thing too, like the reason why I made this video is because it wasn't a lot of reference videos on YouTube for me to go based off of. So that's why I was the person sending them back, snatching them again, sending them back, snatching them again. But like I said, I'm doing that so y'all guys don't got to. But then last but not least, like I was telling y'all, right? So the dust ones was my first sneaker that I ended up grabbing. But these was the second pair I ended up grabbing. Now I want to say these was the first Rick Owens collab shoe that I ended up grabbing. These what made me fall in love with Rick Owens in general. Like I seen these I don't even know where I seen them. They might have been like on the Explore page on Instagram when I seen them with these fat laces and these little star up top. Oh my God, I had to have them. I just had to. They was just too tough. Like, look at this boot. The crazy thing is, I never thought in my life you would catch me in a pair of Doc Martens. But shit, these, look at, these too tough. Like, I can't make this up. Like, these on a different level. These were so tough, I ain't even pay retail for these. I had to pay resale. But he damn near smacked me over the head. I had to pay double for them. Because I slept on them. You see what I'm saying? I seen them when they was on a Rick Owens site. I just couldn't fathom myself wearing a pair of Doc Martens. You see what I'm saying? But I seen them put together right, and I feel like I had to have them. Actually, y'all should go to my Instagram and see how I played them. I feel like I ain't do a bad job myself. You see what I'm saying? Just in case y'all don't follow me, go check out my Instagram. It's just 100K away. One day I'll explain that name to y'all too. Oh yeah, hold on before I put them up. Another reason too why these just it for me is because once again, the platform, they give me them extra couple, you know what I'm saying, little inches, making me feel like I got that good height on me. You know what I'm saying? When they look at me, they're like, damn, he tall. Yes. You know what I'm saying? But these tough. And since we talking about platforms, you know what I'm saying? Like shoes with some height to them. You know what I'm saying? It's about to be fall. You know what I'm saying? And I know for a fact this boot was so hard that it's gonna come back around. So let's get into this. See this big box, you know what these is. It's forever gonna be classic. Forever gonna be classic. Since I'm talking about shoes with platform to them, like I told you, let the dust bags be for the dust bags, man. Like, let me see. Y'all know what these is, right? Y'all know what these is. And you crazy if you don't think they're gonna end up back trending and popular all over again. Look at the height on these. These boys for sure give me that extra height. Make me feel like, you feel me? At least 6'4", something nasty like that. But the thing is with these is like, based off how they run and sizing, you can go true to size with these. You know what I'm saying? Another shoe is gonna give you that extra height. You can't go wrong with these. You can't go wrong with these. I used to hate these. I swear I did. Little fat, ugly, distressed. Until I got my first pair. I mean, these boys on a different level. These boys nasty. These you can go true to size as well too. It was my first pair of runners. But these right here, this is the hardest color I feel like they made thus far in the runners. Tell me I'm lying. Let me know in them comments too. I even went and snatched the new season ones, the gray, white, and black ones. Man, look at that. I got distracted, man. This is a gorgeous shoe. Good colorway. This might be the hardest. Ain't even on mic. This is the hardest. But the new season ones, I want to snatch the gray, black, and white ones, right? Come in the mail, because I don't really do too much in-store shopping. Everything got to come to me. You know what I'm saying? Man, they come, and I'm cool with the distressed look. But these was on another level. Like, and the material was super soft. If you know, you know. But them ones weren't for me. But like I always say, man, if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful in any way, then make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.